Say, listen, your mommy, is she home? Please tell her there's somebody on the telephone.
Ah, you're the man who phoned before. She's in the bath. I'll call her from the door, but you can't come to the phone, I'm sure.
Ask her to please me. Tell her it's quite important. Just go and see.
Say, do you want something from my mama? Each time she hears you ring, she always says, shh, tell him I'm not in.
But tell me, are you enjoying school? Now I suppose you're learning the golden rule.
Oh yes, school is a little way away. Because Mammy works, a neighbour takes me there each day. Sometimes a friend's daddy jokes with me, cause I'm the one with no daddy, you see.
Oh, tell her it's been long, 6 years of loneliness. That's how old you are, I guess.
Oh no, I'm 5 no more. But you must have known my Mammy before. She never told me your name though. Hold on, don't go.
Tears on the telephone. I tried pretending. Her voice is kissing mine as we make love along the line. Tears on the telephone. My dream is ending. Oh, not so long ago, she loved me so. This summer you'll go to Saint-Tropez, the same old grand hotel there. Do you swim each day?
Oh yes, I'm a good swimmer. I love the sand as well. But tell me, how do you know about the Grand Hotel? When did you stay at Saint-Tropez?
Oh, tell her I need you. I love the two of you. Yes, the two of you.
Love us too? I've never set eyes on you. Is there something wrong? You're talking differently. Oh, don't cry, don't cry.
Tears on the telephone. I tried pretending. Her voice is kissing mine as we make love along the line. Tears on the telephone. My dream is ending. Though not so long ago, she loved me so. I didn't mean to cry. Tears on the telephone. But it's goodbye now, or I'll be on a flight leaving tonight. Oh, do try again now.
But she's leaving.
Please try to stop her.
I can't. She's gone.
Well, if she's gone, then